Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate data backup with Backblaze, complete guide step by step clearly. First, visit the Backblaze website to create your account. Click on the sign up button to begin the registration process. Fill out your email address and select a strong password. Review and accept the terms of service before continuing. Check your inbox for a verification email from Backblaze. Click the link in the email to verify your account. After verification, log in to your Backblaze account. On the dashboard, locate the backup section. Click on the Download the Backup app button. Once the download completes, open the installation file. Follow the on-screen prompts to install the Backblaze application. After installation, launch the Backblaze app from your computer. You will be prompted to log in, enter your credentials. The app will begin scanning your files automatically. Review the files Backblaze suggests for backup. You can customize which files and folders to backup by clicking on Preferences. In the Preferences window, navigate to the Backup Settings tab. Here, you can exclude certain file types or folders from the backup. After configuring your preferences, click Save Changes. Now, Backblaze will continuously monitor your specified files for changes. To check the backup status, return to the Backblaze dashboard. You will see the progress of your current backups and any completed tasks. If you need to restore files, go back to your Backblaze account online. Select the Restore option from the dashboard menu. Choose the files you wish to restore and specify the delivery method. You can retrieve your files via a direct download or a USB drive. Monitor your backups regularly to ensure everything is up to date. With these steps, you have successfully automated your data backup using Backblaze. Enjoy peace of mind knowing your important data is securely backed up. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.